Well, greetings everyone and welcome to another video. So on this video, like the title says, there's a problem with Davinci Resolve in Fedora whereby you follow the procedures to get it installed, but it does not launch. As you can see here, I'm trying to launch it. It's not launching. Right here it says it's running. As you can see the dot here, but it's going to soon disappear. As you can see, it's gone to show that it failed to launch. So I'm running Fedora 42 workstation. This is the latest Fedora, and all packages are up to date. So to show you how to fix this, let me quickly remove Davinci Resolve from the system and show you what you need to do. And that thing, you won't really be able to see it if you are not trying to execute Davinci Resolve via the terminal in order for you to be able to see what is going on. Then you won't be able to see anything. So here I have the Davinci Resolve package file, the run file, and then the instructions from Ubuntu. Yeah, I know it's Ubuntu. I'm only going to be needing a few things in here. I'm going to be needing this section here, this up until this one here, and then I'm going to be needing this one. That's what I need. It's universal. I've been doing this on CacheOS and Ubuntu, not Ubuntu, Linux Mint, because on Ubuntu there's a script whereby you extract this and it repackages it into a deb file whereby you install, and you don't even have to tinker with it. It just runs flawlessly. That's the best part. But on Fedora and CacheOS and other Linux distributions, you gotta do some extra things. So let's get Davinci Resolve installed. What we need is to open the console here where Davinci Resolve.run file is, and then we're gonna do sudo, and then we're gonna need the name of the whole thing. I need the whole thing, and you're gonna paste it here. Some might do it this way, it don't run. It don't allow you. You need to specify that from the current folder using the dot and the /. You do this, it tells you that the zlib package is missing. You might try to get this downloaded. You don't really need to download it because Fedora already has the latest packages going on, since Davinci Resolve, the Blackmagic guys, are using outdated packages. No problem. So they tell you what to do. You must use this argument over here. This argument. So highlight it and copy it. You're going to need it. Go back to the previous command that you used. Come to the middle, and then you paste it here. This is what you needed. You paste it there. And after pasting it there, just press enter. Then the installation dialog box will open. Just do next, agree. Well, we hardly ever read those things anyway. So I like to show the detailed dialog, and then you start install. Give it a few seconds. It'll run, and then it should be done. Come on. Finish already. And then, come on. So on Ubuntu, by doing this, Davinci Resolve will just run without a problem. It'll run, no issues, none whatsoever. So get going, and then finish. Davinci Resolve now is installed. There it is, it's back. Still, you try to run it, it keeps spinning, it doesn't open. So let's go back to this, the lower instructions. So what we need to do right now, we're coming here. We need to change to the directory where Davinci Resolve is installed, which we're going to need this. You copy it, paste it, and then now we are where Davinci Resolve is installed, but where? Inside the libs folder on the Resolve directory location. So since we are here, we're gonna need to make a folder in there. So when you make the folder, you can use any name of your choice. Here, the name is not used. Then that is the name of the folder. So you can select any name of your choice, then you're going to name it that. So let's make the directory. We're going to be copying this, then pasting it there so that the directory is made. Since making it, now we need to move some files. I made a list of the files that I need to move here. There are 9 of them. So any file that starts with libgio, which is 3 of them, here, 3 of them, I'm going to take them out. libglib is going to be 3 of them. You take them out, and then libgmodule is going to be 3 of them. You also take them out, which in total there are 9. As you can see, there are 9. So what you need to do is you need this command sudo mv, which is sudo move. So we will be moving those files, right? Which files? These ones, all of them. Copy and then paste. Okay, I paste it. Then where are we moving those files to? A folder named not used, or whatever you named the folder. Oh, not, spelling is wrong, not used. There it is. Then you press enter. Everything is moved. To show that everything got moved, when you try to do it again, it will tell you that there's no such file or directory, meaning that all those 9 files got moved. So don't mind, guys, I'll put all the instructions in the description, then you can be able to just do copy and paste easier. So we got the files moved, right? Then everything should run, right? Right. Okay, let me close this since everything is done. But still, the same problem appears. It tries to load. As you can see, it keeps spinning, but it doesn't open at all. As you can see, just give it some few seconds. Spinning, spinning, spinning. The dot is still here, then it's gone. It's not opening. Because as you can see, that the instructions from this PDF file for Ubuntu, this is where it ends. As you do this, they say now it should run. The reason why we need this is to be able to diagnose what's going on. So we need the terminal, whereby whenever it's failing to open, it will tell you what is the problem. So let's paste it there and try to run it. Here's the problem. There's an error while loading the shared libraries libxcrypt.so.1. This library, its file is missing. That's why Davinci Resolve is not able to load. That's the issue. So what we need to do is you copy it. That's what I did. I copied it and I came here and Googled what this thing is. So on the first result, it says, this guy says he had the same issue and fixed it by installing the libxcrypt-compat package. This is what we need. This one here. So don't worry, guys. The step-by-step instructions are going to be in the description. You can copy them from there. So we need the libxcrypt-compat package, and then we should be good to go. So it's going to be sudo dnf install. What did I type? I type uninstall. Now install libxcrypt-compat. Enter. Password. There we go. There it is. It's not that big. Then yes. Getting it installed. There it is. It's completed. It's installed. So let's try to open Davinci Resolve now and see what happens. Davinci Resolve. Bada bang, bada boom. There it is. Just one small thing caused Davinci Resolve not to open. One small thing. There's Davinci Resolve. Running well. No hiccups whatsoever. And this video is going to be edited in Davinci Resolve. This is what I'm going to be using to run it. So, from Mother Tech and Gaming, thank you for watching. Till next time, peace out.